Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Haringkat Batkari berok kawai ke Jila Meghalaya Kalaraki Kerpang ya ke National Voters Day Shibenta ban penso shigi pajba ya ke jingdon kam balit tab vote kam tam ke election ha ke Jila kan salong ha ke arpunyo trek urempang arajar arpulai ban ken mau Kerpang ya ke ni ke sengi lapendong ya ke mini marathon run for sure da ke office jong u Chief Electoral Officer ha ke por men stamp bat hadian ke ni kaladon ru ke program Kerpang halor ke pang vote for sure ha assembly ha kendailan habakran ha kani sengi Chief Secretary ke Jila uba DP Waklang ulaong ka daw jong kani ka jingrakhi kalong man penso tho ye ki patba ban pha ka khubor bat man penso tho ye ki nong thap vote ki bedang thammai na kaliang Chief Electoral Officer uba FR Kharkongor ulaong ba kani ka sengi ka thau ye ka jing ye kan do lang ba he do ha kari kani ka sengi ba Kerpang bat ki patba kimde ban kren khnyom lada yala di kimlet ban thap vote
Kijing ba kle ke bengidon na kebenta ka lawai jong kari bat ke imlang ka salang ka election ka ple yaki lat yaki nong tap vote banjit yaki nong yalam klem de sha pen be ni klem sha pen bor bat ban dawaru naki ban pensyai pai ba yaki kam baki trai kumta ka long ka badon ka me yaki pai ba de ban pensyai halor ki hok jong ki rengkat kejing kentu bakin yeshim benta da kejing kit khle hakakam tap vote
95 million voters across 10 lakh polling stations across the country. It all started about 12 years back in 2011. In Meghalaya today, it is more important because the elections is just a month away on the 27th of February 2023. As mentioned by the previous speakers, the total number of voters in the state is 21.65 lakhs, in which the male voters are 10.68 lakhs and female 10.92, one of the few states where the female voters are more than male voters. But more interesting than that, we have 290 voters who are above 100 years. 290 voters who are above 100 years in the state who are registered, and 22,658 voters who are above 80 years. So all these veterans will be voting maybe for the 15th, 16th time. I don't know how many, but quite a number. And it is a huge number in which they've all been included and they are part of the electoral list. For the first time, we have captured the third gender. And there are two numbers, one from Garo Hills and one from Khasi Hills, third gender, and first time voters, 81,443, which is about 4% of the total number of voters. So for the first time, they'll all be voting this year on the 27th of February.
If we dwell a while on the theme of the National Voters' Day today, which is I vote for sure, nothing like voting. The emphasis is on the individual, on me as an individual and my civic duty to vote. I vote for sure. If you focus your eyes on the logo, there's a tick mark on top, which is a symbol of informed choices, that the voter should exercise his informed choice to vote for his or her representative, to carve the destiny of his state, of his country. And we look at the background of the logo, there is a chakra, which is a symbol of the largest democracy of the world, of which we are all part of. And our state goes to the polls on the 27th of February. And this NVD this year assumes greater significance because of this call to vote on the 27th of February. We have an electorate of 21,61,000 plus, and we have a male electorate of 10.68 plus and a female electorate of 10.92 plus, which outnumbers the male electorate. We have over 7,400 people with disability. We have 81,443 young voters of 18-19 who are going to exercise the franchise for the very first time on 27th of February. This is something which will be a very special moment for them, as they will get their fingers inked.